stressful le moment.
Kabelo Dlamini ujongene no Brandon Peterson. 2-1 Chiefs ihamba phambili. Thatha ixesha lakhe uDlamini waqhweqhwa uyile wambetha wangathi ubanjwe iglu uPeterson. uKabelo Dlamini xa injena usikucinga into yokuba eyi ngamaminqo wenza ntoni. Look at this.
But uyazi ukuba wenza ntoni. That move it commits goalkeeper and then it terminates because already goalkeeper reaction yakhe from this side will be slower.
Imbetho wangathi uzawukruneka uBrandon Peterson. 2-2.
Yusuf Mart versus Mpochane. We've seen this one before. Who will prevail? Vision locked in with one another. Yusuf Mart. Too easy. Too easy. And Chiefs take the lead. Pirates now again have it all to do, chasing the game in the penalty shootout.
It's the last number. It's a very good penalty. And you can see all the players that have taken the penalties, they've picked up their spot, they knew what they were doing, and they're going for power, because sometimes if you don't put a power, it gives a goalkeeper an opportunity.
Mathathu kwamabini iChiefs ihamba phambili. uBrandon Peterson nguye kwakhona ojongene noThapelo Xoke. Izawuthwani le nto ngoku. Dlale kakuhle ngaphakathi ebaleni. Ngoku lithuba lelottery. Wababa! Uthini uSompempe? Bayavuma. Ikhona into engathi yathethisa. Thoma ka i-retake.
I-retake tata besingakasiqali sahleli.
Hey, yeah. Yayibona ke ifuna ke ngoku i-nerves of steel xa kunje.
Yeah.
Aphefumla wagqiba phantsi kwekhwapha. My word, what a relief. Mthethwa.
Confidence factor. You can see Gut is very confident. Bonisi ukpenika in that moment. Very good penalty.
The nerves could really not be more palpable. Okay, going the same side. It's a game of chess, and it's a game of guessing for the goalkeeper. Pirate shot stopper guessing the right side, and Tumelen Kune anticipating, hopefully in his eyes, a Shabalala goal. Now then, another young man. Mental fortitude being tested to the absolute maximum. Shabalala blistering. Excellent penalty. Kune gives the youngster a round of applause. Biram Konza.
A good penalty. I love the confidence from this young man. I mean, Zwane could see what he was doing. You could see now Mduduzi what he's doing. Picks up the spot and is going direct into the center. You can see Guta, I know they've been practicing these penalties.
Mane kwamathathu. Sompempe kusekho intetha phakathi kwakhe kunye noCollins Makgakga. Ingathi asizohamba apha Mkhonza.
The whole day. That's why Fofana Sibapa the whole day. Noma singihamba ngo9 tata.
Now then, 4 from 4 from both Pirates and Chiefs. either goalkeeper yet to lay a glove. All penalties perfect. And the pressure just mounting. Solomons brought on in the second half. A highly capable fullback. Can it go 5-4? Yes, it can. Beautiful penalty by Solomons.
Ithumele Nkhune uyambona phaya qhoba izandla celebrate naye uNkabi impontshane yena akho celebration tu kwaphela kuye uthi yina le madoda. So Zakhele Lerato Lepasa mhlawumbi ke ayiloqhinga eliloba bembhuisha bafuna mhlawumbi umbono ba uzawuthini
Ngangazela bafuna ukungangazela tata.
Lepasa. Nervy moments. 5-4. Lerato, Lepasa. Thando Nzanzeka. Usathetha naye. Yo, short run up. Lepasa ubuye umva steps zazithathu kuphela. Uyile phansi kwekhwapha. Wababa. Very confident.
One thing that I highlight are these players. They've pick up a sport data. You can see that I decided manje. They've decided from the training preparations. Good, must set my penalty. This is the technique I'm going to use, and this is a sport that I'm going to choose.
Very confident indeed. Ambona nje into kuba phezu kwayo yonke laa nto ibisenzeka phaya wayihlaba phantsi kwekhwapha i-pace ne-accuracy yonke into nangona ukhiphe ebeyibonile.
That's why benithetha nge-precision ne-power ukuba mawuyisa phaya la uchuza khona, even if goalkeeper goes the right way, but if ne-power akana chance.
Penalties were probably practiced during the training sessions in the week, and those sessions really paying off here. Ponchane still yet to make a save. Now Slanti, a left footer, so a different equation. This one doesn't give much away, does Slanti? He goes over the bar. Orlando Pirates just need to score now. And Orlando Pirates might just have their taste of revenge. Placed over the crossbar.
I thought he body leaned backwards. That's why the ball went up. Because and being undecisive also caused him to miss that penalty. Good to but also in terms of the posture when you are taking the ball. That is why he put a Pezul. But from the walk itself, Suga Center is confidence.
It had to happen, Dr. Mnandi. Ilishwage lelokba ebholeni yenzeka komnye wabadlali ayinakwenzeka komnye umuntu.
Ibabhlungu kakhulu ngoba hey amakhosi bewayifuna le Black Label.
So Vincent Madiele Pule uzawuya kwi-final neMamelodi Sundowns okanye uzawunika i-lifeline kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. This or nothing. Vincent Pule. Pressure kukeeper, pressure nakuye uPule. Alindile amabhakaniya namakhosi. Wababa! Wakhala uZoleka.
Uyalila uZoleka tata. I thought Brendan could have done better with that penalty. It was within his range. I don't know what it can be a concentration factor, but I thought the ball was within his range. We could have parried it away. And like Chiefs, Pirates are in the final.
Ya lanto besithetha zeza nerves zikhona nakuye uPeterson ngoba ulindele i-crowd uba noko madoda mandinikhulule ndinike lifeline so uzawufumana enye chance siyi-Kaizer Chiefs, and who knows.
For goalkeepers, now save 1 or 2 penalties, it's a good moral booster.